Today's section of CAPCUT from scratch will be about how to add text and other text effects on CAPCUT with your smartphone. Open CAPCUT to create new project. Import video. Click on text and then add text. Type in whatever you want in the enter text box. Drag to adjust your text. Click on that icon to edit your text. These are options to edit your text: fonts, style, effects, bubble, and animation. First of all, we're going to change the font. CAPCUT has provided lots of fonts to choose from. I chose this one for my text. Amazing! The next thing I'll do is to choose a font style. CAPCUT gives different options to choose from. There are different effects on the style. You can also add stroke to your text. Also, you can adjust the thickness. You can add canvas. You can adjust opacity. You can add shadow to your text as well. You can as well adjust text spacing. You can scale your text by simply dragging the scale line. You can also adjust character spacing. Feel free to add bold and italic. We are done with the text style in general. This is effects. This is what happens when you add these text effects. There are lots of text effects here. You can add bubbles to your text as well. There are lots of bubbles to choose from. Finally, animations. Feel free to use any animation of your choice. To adjust the speed, just drag the blue line forward and backward. Drag the blue line backwards to speed up your text animation and drag the blue line forward to slow down your text animation. The in, out, and loop are basically to start animation, end animation, or both. Loop is both to start and to end text animation. There are lots of loop animation for your text. Feel free to use anyone. Use this fast and slow line to adjust the speed of your text animation. Here are some of loop animations I applied to this text. I hope you learned one or two from today's tutorial. Feel free to drop a question concerning today's video in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. See you in my next video.